Hey, what's going on guys? I'm back with this video of this Firefly 8SE action camera, and it's a very budget friendly model with all the features that you require. So we'll start off with the quick unboxing and show you what you get. So if you're not aware of the brand, it's called Firefly, and this one comes with the Umbrella 12S75 processor, and it has a Sony IMX117 sensor for the camera, and it can do 4K 30 fps and 1080p at 120 fps and 720p at 240 fps. It has a 1200 mAh removable battery. It can support up to 128 gigs of memory card. This comes with all the accessories that you would need, and apart from that, it also supports external microphone. It has electronic image stabilization. It has a 2-inch IPS touchscreen. So we'll quickly check what we have in the box. So in the box you get this waterproof casing, which is waterproof up to 30 meter in the water, and it's nicely sealed and all. So I kept the camera aside, so this is how the camera looks like. I'll just quickly talk about a few more accessories that comes in the box. This is a lens hood. It's like this from the side. I'll keep it aside. There's one silicone lens cap to protect the lens. And the best part of this camera is that it comes with the USB microphone. So this microphone will cost you about some 500 to 600 bucks if you order it from any Chinese website, but on Indian website it's going to cost you about 1000 rupees. So yeah, it comes free in the box, so that's a very good thing. Okay, so we'll start off with the physical overview of the camera. So on the front we have the lens, obviously. This is the selfie mirror if you're taking a selfie. This is the LED notification. This is the power button, and this also acts as a mode button. Here we have the logo. We have one of the microphone here. That is the built-in microphone. We have the micro HDMI port here, and then we have the micro USB for charging and for external microphone. We have some vent here. We have the 2-inch IPS touchscreen. This one is for the gallery, this button, and here we have the micro SD card slot, and on the right and left you have two more buttons for changing between the menus, but it's a touchscreen, so you're not going to use them much. On the top you have the shutter button, and on the bottom you have a tripod mount, and you have the battery door here. We'll quickly check the battery. It's a 1200 mAh battery. So we'll talk about all this a bit later in the video. We'll just quickly check the camera first. Okay, in terms of the micro SD card, I'm using a Strontium 32 GB, but you can use up to 128 GB, so you can use anything that you want. And for 4K recording you have to use something high quality, so I will list out a few models, you can check them. So in terms of the build quality, it's built pretty nicely. Okay, so to power it on, you just have to tap this M button once, and this will make this beeping noise. If it is showing this green light here, that means it's in photo mode. To change the mode, you can press this button here and it will turn blue, and that's the video mode. Now you don't really need to do that because it's a touch screen as mentioned earlier, so you can just slide right or left to change the modes. So not gonna talk much about the settings part because that's gonna be boring, but quickly gonna show you the menus. You can pause the video and check them if you want to. So to record, you just have to press this top button once, this one here, and it will start recording. And if you have this this icon on the right just below the battery, that means the electronic image stabilization is on. The external microphone is of pretty good quality. You just plug it into the USB port and that's it. It's quite long as well, and the quality is much better on the external microphone. I will just play a few samples so that you can see it for yourself. Just to let you know, I got this from gearbest.com because they are the official store for Firefly cameras, and you get this for about 110 US dollars, which is about 7,500 to 8,500 Indian rupees. So I'll leave the link in the description below. If you want to buy it, you can go and check it out from there. Since the camera has a Wi-Fi for transferring photos to your mobile device, and also you can use the phone as your remote if you have to or if you want to. So we are going to check that part now. So I'm going to turn on the Wi-Fi of the camera, and for doing that you'll have to just hold down this right arrow key for about 3 seconds. As you can see, the Wi-Fi icon is on here. I'll keep it aside and go to the phone. If I move it, it's gonna show it the same thing on the phone. We'll quickly jump into the video samples and I'll show you how the video samples look like. This one I'm recording with the external microphone that comes in the box, and this is being recorded at 4K 30 FPS, no EIS. The microphone volume is at 80%. Hey guys, it's audio testing of the external microphone of the Firefly 8SE. This microphone comes included in the box. I haven't put the wind visor on, So there will be some wind noise, but I want to see how is the noise cancellation. And also I'm recording this video at 1080p at 60 fps. The gyro stabilization is on. And I have turned on the night mode as well, just to check how is the night mode quality. To sum it up quickly, I'm going to talk about the pros and the cons. In terms of pros, it has a touchscreen for this price. It has a lot of resolution that it offers. The quality of the video and photo both are quite good. It comes with a free microphone and all the required accessories. The user interface is quite friendly. You will get used to it quickly. The battery backup is about 1 hour 20 minutes for 1080p 60 fps, and it's about 1 hour for 4K, so that is quite awesome. It comes with electronic image stabilization, that is quite good for the price again, and the company releases updates quite frequently. I have been using the camera for about 2 months now, and I have got 2 updates already. This camera competes with the GoPro Hero 5 Black directly in terms of the quality, but the price is 3 times cheaper as of now. So if you are going for your first action camera, you can definitely go for this one. In terms of the cons, it has very less cons. However, the biggest one is the warranty, as it is a Chinese brand, and if there is a hardware failure, you'll have to ship it to China on your own cost. The company is going to pay one side shipping, you have to pay the other side. The second con is going to be the touchscreen. Sometimes it acts on its own, as you can see on the video right now. I'm not touching anything, but it's doing it on its own. So that kind of goes away after a few seconds. You just give it a few seconds, it just goes away. And in case if it doesn't go away, you can just remove the battery and then just put it back in, and it should be fine. So that's about the video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Do subscribe to the channels for more contents like this. Thanks again for watching, and you all have a good day. Cheers.